Hello, Elaine here with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this pretty card using the All About Autumn suite. Here is my beautiful autumn card using the All About Autumn suite, which includes the Autumn Leaves bundle. So it has these beautiful leaves and veins and sentiments and dies, and then extra dies to create more leaves, labels, and some embossing or texture elements as well. The suite also includes the distressed tile 3D embossing folder, really pretty. I'm going to show you a fun technique to do and use on my next video. It also includes this ribbon and copper ribbon. The copper ribbon is super gorgeous and brilliant. And then we have the speckled dot. So for this card, I started off with a thick, very vanilla base of 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, and folded in half. I call this a hot dog card because it's skinnier versus the hamburger card. So I'm going to also use this Moody Mauve 4 by 5 1/4 piece. And this piece is from the All About Autumn Designer Series paper, also gorgeous. So this piece is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and that's just going to layer right on there. This next piece is simply 3 by 4 inches, and it's just going to be placed right in the middle. Now I'm going to stamp the large leaf in Pretty Peacock. And these are distinctive stamps, so they have different etchings in them to create the different textures, the light and the dark. There's also this vein stamp that's really fun that you can line up. We also have this 2-leaf stamp. Lastly, I'm just going to stamp the sentiment. Autumn teaches us that change can be beautiful in Pretty Peacock. So I've cut out these pieces and I've included the double leaf on Moody Mauve and this leaf on Mossy Meadow. And I'm just going to put these all on dimensionals and make a little arrangement. And now I'm going to add some of these green speckled dots to the card. Lastly, I want to add some ribbon. This is Lost Lagoon, but I'm going to go ahead and use blends markers to color it Pretty Peacock. All right, the last step is just to attach the bow with the glue dot and place it right there. And then that is my All About Autumn card. You can receive my card kit for the All About Autumn class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the All About Autumn card class.